Hi, I'd like to introduce how to make Salt-Ponzu in this video. My recipe is not using soy sauce and not even half of the salt compared to store-bought ponzu. So if you're watching over salt intake or if you're gluten intolerant, this is a perfect recipe for you. And if you're like my friends who make shabu-shabu often at home, you should definitely give it a try.
I originally tried to come up with a recipe that can make ponzu instantly with fresh lemon and lime. Unfortunately, it always tastes better with a more rounded flavor after letting it sit overnight. I highly suggest adjusting the flavor next day. Add more vinegar or more lemon juice to increase the tartness, or add more Bonito flakes if you want more umami flavor. You can also add more salt if you like. In any case, ponzu is really easy to adjust the taste of later on. Follow my recipe as a starting point and see how you like it. Evaluate and adjust the taste if you want. Then let it sit for another day before straining. If you're vegetarian, instead of Bonito flakes, add more Kombu and adjust the taste by adding your favorite vegetable stock. That's all for today's video. Stay healthy and eat well. Thank you for watching.